It's not every day that you can create an environment completely from scratch, and designing really allows that to happen. I'm Andrew Bowen, partner of Ash Staging, and we are here at the Astor on the Upper West Side in this 3,200 square foot residence. When I first saw this home, I thought this is going to be interesting because it has a lot of the bones of a historic Manhattan home, but all of these modern upgrades. Let's take a look around and see what we did. When staging a home as expansive as this, it's vital to show people its full potential. We did that by showing this as a flexible den. We have this large, sumptuous sectional positioned around the fireplace, one of two in the home. And over the sofa, you'll notice these 3 paintings in a completely different color pattern. Contrast is important because it really energizes the experience. And infusing energy through design is one of the ways that we bring these historic properties into the 21st century. I am now standing in the defining characteristic of this home, the corridor. It is the artery that connects every single room together. We decided to paint it this near black color, which actually adds quite a bit of drama and mystery. By creating this moody experience, you're then greeted by all of these bright rooms with the opening of each door. The white oak floor is done in this classic herringbone pattern with inlay throughout that defines each section of the corridor. Beyond that, you'll see the incredible molding from the baseboard to the doors and the crown, really embodying that traditional Upper West Side architecture. One room that's been forgotten by time in New York is the ante room, but not here at the Astor. So here, we installed the semicircular marble console table, an irregular mirror, and a contemporary ottoman, so you could take one last look before you open the doors to the party. Because you only get one chance for a first impression. And what an impression this room makes. We had so much space to work with here, so we incorporated 2 slip-covered sofas, a pair of lounge chairs, as well as 2 ottomans by the fireplace, in addition to dining for 8. Like the building itself, our selection of each piece was meant to be timeless yet contemporary. Design and art are one and the same for us, and incorporating pieces that really complement the furniture is a critical part of our mission. You may have noticed that the room itself is not totally rectangular, and that provided a great opportunity for us to incorporate some of these more curved forms which really mediate the space. Even the dining table has a slight bow so that we have this free-form layout complementing a more formal arrangement. This home has 4 bedrooms, and each one was designed to have its own personality. But it is rare to find a primary suite of this caliber in a pre-war building in New York. The signature architectural feature of this room is the bay window. So we took advantage of that by creating a seating group with 2 club chairs and a side table. We also incorporated this oversized slip-covered king bed with matching nightstands and a velvet bench. What makes an exceptional primary suite is balance, making sure that you have a place to sit, a place to get dressed, and of course, a place to sleep. Staging's not about stripping personality, it's about adding it. Our mission was to create an oasis of modern luxury, and I think we did just that. Thanks for coming, hope to see you next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.